I don't even know why some people they wake up in the morning, wear clothes, spray perfume, start parabolating around the town like mad people. Photographer without portfolio. Mosquito will pass, they'll snap. Cockroach will pass, they'll snap. Two fighting, then go snap. Police catch thief, they'll snap after wasting their life. They'll come home useless without anything to show for it. But if they just stay at home and do house chores, maybe perhaps they'll be useful not only to their families but the society at large.
What are you even talking about? Huh? It's not like you asked me to share the chores and I refused.
Share the chores? Who is sharing chores with you? Do we share bills? No. Answer now, Donald. That's cheating. I pay all the bills in this house. So therefore, you have to do all the chores in this house. I can't come back to the house after bringing all the funds and still do house chores. It's not possible. You do the chores and be useful.
What is happening with you?
Don't ask me that stupid question, Donald. Don't ask me any rubbish question. Go out there, hustle like your mates and bring in good money. Relieve me of all this burden. Nonsense. Monkey they walk, baboon they chop. At least, people like us, we have real work. When I go to work and come back and I see any chore in this house, you and I are going to have it very hot. Dare me. Nonsense.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see.
Yeah, just stay home today and do the chores.
You will taste a dose of your pill and know how it feels.
Come in, darling.
Hello, baby.
Hi, Mommy.
You're still on your assignment?
Come here.
I'm done, but I need some assistance.
Okay.
Before that, can I please talk with my daddy?
Sure. 1 second. Hi, babe. I'm fine. Oh, she's here. And she wants to speak to you. Alright, hold on. Here you go.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, princess.
Not fine. I want to live with you and Mommy like other kids in my school do with their parents.
Daddy has got to make some money. Yes, I've got some bills to pay. I need to pay your fees.
But the kids in my school, their parents still pay the fees, but they still live together. One big happy family.
Come on, princess, but I visit every month.
Yeah, I know that. But I miss you when you're away, Daddy. I have a birthday wish.
Okay. Tell me, Princess, what's your wish? Your birthday wish? Tell me.
You. You're my birthday wish. I want to live with you and Mommy together. Forever.
What I'm doing here. Bella asked and she needed me. I said birthday gift, so I am here. As a birthday gift, please don't scream because we don't need to ruin the surprise before.
What about your car, your bags, your stuff?
Oh yes, I wanted to surprise you as well, so I parked my car outside of the estate with my stuff and everything. You know it's safe here. So tomorrow I just drive it. But she's sleeping. Just come in. Oh, that's good. Baby. Let's go get some sugar.
Don't make it noise.
Yeah, baby. I miss you.
Me too. What's the plan?
Relocate. Come down with me to the east.
Wait. No. I have a high-paying job here. And you're self-employed. Photography business can happen in any location, so it's easier for you to relocate. I mean, this is Lagos. It's a mega city. You'll make better pictures here.
Baby.
Don't babe me.
See, listen. What if I move in here and our business doesn't thrive?
Babe, you have me to hold it down for us. I make enough money to sustain us while we grow your business. Please.
This has been lingering for a very long time and you would not want to give in. And now Ella is requesting that I come here to be with you, and then whilst my business is over there thriving, why not you move that with me?
You're talking about family, you're talking about business. A business that can always relocate.
Baby,
you can move the business, baby. I want you, and all you have to do is just move.
Baby, no. We can send applications around and then we can send applications.
Getting a job is not as easy as you think. But relocating a business is easy peasy. And you have me.
I know, baby, but come on, baby.
Shh. I won't take no for an answer. Say yes.
Yep.
Say yes.
Yep.
Say yes.
How may I
Are
help
you Mr. Donald Williams?
Yes, I'm Donald Williams.
Okay.
How may I help you?
I'm Inspector Bala, and this is my colleague, Corporal John.
Okay.
You're under arrest for the murder of your wife, Miss Esther Williams.
What?
You have the right to remain silent because anything you say or do will be used against you in court of law.
No, I didn't kill my wife, okay?
Don't move.
I didn't kill my wife. My wife is not dead. I never met her, my wife.
Keep quiet, sir.
You have the wrong person, okay?
Sir.
You have the wrong person, please.
Quiet.
It's me, please.
What's wrong? Babe. What's wrong with your hand? What happened?
I'm okay. Just a little nightmare. I was just walking.
Please, Joe. We can talk about the nightmare later. It's time to surprise Ella. Mm-hmm. Come, let's go.
Yeah.
Come, let's go, Joe. Only God knows what you... All those scary movies you like watching. All those ugly girls that you're snapping in the East. That's why you're having nightmares. Wakey, wakey!
Hi, Mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my darling. Happy birthday to you.
Aw, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my princess. Now, do you remember your birthday wish?
I did wish I want my dad to come over.
Let me see what the birthday fairy has in store for us.
I wonder who will come.
Abracadabra.
Look at you. Look at you. Daddy misses you. Now you ask for a birthday gift, which is me, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. Maybe we should have clocked our house like this.
Maybe no, but this is chaos.
Okay, try it.
Try. You're just silly. So how far?
Yeah, so the agent from the East that sold the property and he sent the fund.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make payment tomorrow to the agent over here because he's gotten me a good place, baby.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, that's amazing. And
So
thanks to
happy.
you.
Mwah. You know, I'm so happy we're finally living together like husband and wife should. So now I won't be wondering what my husband is doing, who he's with, who he's snapping.
Oh, good news, good news. At least I can rest from all those incessant questions.
Excuse
What
me.
is it? Excuse me.
What is
You
supposed
keep
to
saying
mean?
all that. Okay, a video call. Okay, a video call. Okay,
So
let me
I want
see.
to check on my man.
Prove it. Who's your new
What
client?
if you're taking
Who are
one
you taking
hot
photos
model?
of? cannot tell me that. No. No. Come on. See, after I make payments, huh? See, even if the brothers are fighting, that should not affect the building. Come on, I should have access to the building. I should. It shouldn't affect. See, if there's a problem, they should just take it to court. Okay? Come on, barrister. You know how much I've invested into this property. 20 billion. Okay? So you cannot. Hello?
Baby, what's going on?
Oh my God.
What is going on? I'm hearing 20 million. I'm hearing fighting. What is going on?
Hold on, baby.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Hey.
So connecting.
You're killing me with suspense. What is going on?
See, the building is under contention. Okay, see,
Jesus.
that is the place I paid rent for 20 million.
Yes.
Now I don't freaking know what's happening.
Jesus.
Okay,
Okay. How can we get our money back? I mean, talk to the lawyer. We have to. The fight no consign us. So let's get our money back.
It's not even responding.
Jesus. 20 million naira.
Ah! 20 million, babe. I'm trying to reach him and it's not responding.
On top of our money. He's not. Hey, that man wants to be unfortunate. Call him, oh. He must respond. He has to give us our money back. What kind of rubbish is this now? This is scam, oh. This is scam. Hey. Oh my God.
Just pass this. Go! Ah! Yes! Go! Ah! Hey, babe. Ah, what's all this now? Like, I don't even. Ah! What's that?
Electricity bill.
How much?
As you can see, 120,000 naira.
120,000 naira for electricity bill for a month. Ah, no. Because it's too expensive. See, when I was in the East, we paid 10K monthly. Okay? And then sometimes the bills comes and then it is 7K, sometimes 5K. I don't even understand. Like 120K. That's a lot of money. What are we even using?
Well, this is not the East. Besides, when someone stays at home, puts on all the lights, the ACs, television, watching the rubbish match, that person shouldn't be surprised when the electricity tariff flies off the roof. Besides, when you were a man working in the East, you used to send money for electricity bills. So I don't know why suddenly it's so expensive. Please bring money, I beg. I don't tire.
Come on. What are you talking about? Huh? You know my condition.
Hey.
Huh? I know that I have been going out daily to work. But honestly, I want to confess. I don't find customers. It's really hard. People are not taking pictures these days. Okay.
Mr. Donald, Oga, husband, the crown of my head, the man of the house. Please bring money now. Bring money, not excuses. What is all this now? Small bill now. You are explaining, you explain, tire, no evidence. What is it? Why you want to frustrate me? Do you know all the bills that you know all the things I've been shouldering? You know. What is it? Am I the one that asked you to go and carry your money and pay for a building that you did not properly investigate?
No.
Am I the one that sent you as old as you are?
Don't say that. When I was making the payment for 20 million, I asked you. I asked you for advice. I told you that, oh, this and this is what is happening. You told me to go ahead.
Hey.
I asked for your opinion.
Hey.
I asked for your opinion. So if you want to blame someone, you blame the two of us. It's our fault.
Wow. A man that cannot bring money. Same man that cannot take responsibility for his failures. Okay, it's my fault now. Shift the blame now. Shift responsibility.
Stop this thing.
After all, I'm the one
screaming.
handling every other responsibility.
Stop
so
screaming.
why can't I handle this other one?
Stop screaming.
Nonsense. Better bring out that money. This bill is not going. In fact, you may off this television.
Stop that thing you're doing.
You cannot pay for electricity. You have the audacity to be watching television.
Just for this month.
See all the lights that you on up and down. On light, on AC. AC that you will not pay for. AC that you will not pay for.
Okay, fine. Just pay for this month. Okay? I beg you. That's all.
Explain. People lose money and double their money. They double their house. They are watching before. It's not your fault.
Hey, baby. Look at you, baby. Hey.
Please leave me.
Hey, come on, baby.
Do not leave me.
I know you like it. Baby, tell me you like it.
Leave me. Leave me now. Leave me. Jesus, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. I would never.
Hey. I understand. Alright. I know how you feel, baby. Alright? I've been the one taking care of all the bills, and then all of a sudden, you are the one doing it all alone. I understand.
It's so overwhelming.
I know, baby.
I'm tired.
I know. It's okay, baby.
I'm just tired.
I know you're tired.
Mentally, financially stressed.
Everything is gonna be okay, baby.
I'm really not in the mood for this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, baby.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. The Bible says a man who cannot take care of his home is worse than an infidel. My wife bears the burden meant for me. I need to restore the peace of my marriage. I will go out to create awareness about my business. Take photographs for free, adverts for free, do something. God, please help me. I am sorry, my love. I am sorry I put you through this.
I don't even know why some people they wake up in the morning, wear clothes, spray perfume, start parabolating around the town like mad people. Photographer without portfolio. Mosquito will pass, they'll snap. Cockroach will pass, they'll snap. Two fighting, then go snap. Police catch thief, they'll snap after wasting their life. They'll come home useless without anything to show for it. But if they just stay at home and do house chores, maybe perhaps they'll be useful not only to their families but the society at large.
What are you even talking about? Huh? It's not like you asked me to share the chores and I refused.
Share the chores? Who is sharing chores with you? Do we share bills? No, answer now, Donald, that's cheating. I pay all the bills in this house. So therefore, you have to do all the chores in this house. I can't come back to the house after bringing all the funds and still do house chores. It's not possible. You do the chores and be useful.
What is happening with you?
Don't ask me that stupid question, Donald. Don't ask me any rubbish question. Go out there, hustle like your mates and bring in good money. Relieve me of all this burden. Nonsense. One kid they work, but only job. At least, people like us, we have real work. When I go to work and come back and I see any chore in this house, you and I are going to have it very hot. Dare me. Nonsense.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see.
Never seen the spot of hair. In 7 years of marriage and oh my God, this is shocking. Maybe she's right. I've been going out for work for a while now, and most times I come back empty-handed. Other times little cash. The 50K I brought for electricity was borrowed. Maybe I just stay home today and do the chores.
You will taste a dose of your pill and know how it feels.
Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Actually,
Not bad, thank you.
okay. Have you had something to eat? I made food.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I also went to the supermarket to get some stuff. I did all the chores. I cleaned the house. I washed the dishes. I did everything.
Okay.
So,
All right. Thank you.
okay, do you want me to dish food for you also?
Can you just tell me something I don't already know? I mean, I know you clean the house, so what's up?
Yes, so
I should announce it, I should start jumping, you clean the house, and so what? What's the big deal? Me that I've been cleaning the house for God knows how long. Do you see me making noise and disturbing everybody about it?
I'm only telling you at least be grateful, like show some gratitude, that's all.
Hey, what gratitude do you show for all the bills I pay in this house? Eh? Mr. Gratitude.
Come on, you asked me to be useful, and that's what I'm doing. I'm being
Celebrate
useful.
grace. You are useful. Hallelujah. So can you just allow me be useful? I'm busy.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, God, nothing.
Huh? What's wrong with you? I used to be the one paying the bills. Okay? I used to be the one paying the bills.
You used to.
So
I get them before, no be property. Bros, please now, allow me work. Now that I'm the one paying the bills. I don't disturb you when you're working. When you were working. Since we are speaking in past tense now. Turn now, turn left. It's left. Be turning.
stop this thing. I don't like the way you talk to me.
How
Okay?
can somebody
I am trying
be
my
so
best, okay?
useless?
I'm trying my
So
best.
clueless. Your best is not good enough, Oga. It's not good enough. You are wasting the fuel that your money did not you contribute to buy. You are taking us around the whole estate. Someone was telling you it's the left turn. You refuse to go.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
What's wrong
Okay?
with you?
I just relocated and my business got hitches. Okay? And now that I think that you are supposed to sympathize with me, you are rather showing me wickedness.
Hey, oh, let us gather town criers for you because you have no sense.
You just
No
shut
sense.
up!
No, don't shout at me, idiot! Don't shout at me.
Did you just slap me?
Babe, do not, baby. Baby, what are you doing? What's going on there? We're in the middle of the road. My love.
Stop it!
Baby, calm down. Jesus. Baby. Please, I'm so sorry.
Listen, I am not going anymore. I am not going anywhere anymore.
Dude, we're in the middle
You know
of
what?
the road.
Take it.
Baby,
Take it.
please, don't
Stop
do
this
that.
thing.
Baby,
Mr. Williams, you don't have anything to worry about. I've done it already. Yes. You get it immediately. Thank you. Yeah.
Baby,
Stop this thing.
Baby.
Take the keys. Take the keys.
Do not.
Hi.
Harry.
Do not. My God. What? My guy.
Is this you?
This is me, my bro.
It's been a while, bro.
Hi.
Hey, Esther. Sorry, I was carried away.
Yes.
See my friend.
You know Lagos?
Man, come on. I should be asking you
Baby,
now.
baby, excuse me, yeah?
Do not.
My guy.
You,
I
bro.
do, Baba, I do. So my wife lives here in Lagos, eh?
Really?
So I just came here to just join her, you know. I've been here for like some few months.
Come on, bro. I've tried reaching out to you. I've tried calling you, but all to no avail.
I'm so sorry, my brother. I lost my phone, so I lost all contact.
What?
Okay.
What is all this now, eh? Hey, no sense of direction, no sense of business, no purpose, no. Look at Efulefu. You don't even know that you are going somewhere.
You know, my wife is waiting for me. You know, women.
Yeah, it's all right.
My phone is in the car, so let me just give you my number.
Yeah,
so
we need to catch up, man. We need
My
to catch
guy,
up.
Kenny.
My guy. Bro.
Okay.
What? Man,
Yes,
it's good to see you again,
good
bro.
to see you too, my brother.
Man,
my
hope you're
brother.
good, man.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
All right.
good. We are still on the photography thing, you know.
I trust you. I'll call you.
All right, my brother. All right.
Man, take care, bro.
Okay, sure. Babe, I'm so sorry. That's my old maid from school way back.
Sorry for
It's
yourself.
just
You just proved to me that you are not only clueless, you're also very foolish.
What's wrong with you?
Why would you leave me waiting for you here? Eh? And then you're talking to one useless friend from somewhere that I don't care about. You couldn't tell him that we have where we are going, that we're in a hurry, and that you have...
Will you just stop nagging?
Don't spoil my car. Don't spoil my seatbelt. Don't spoil my seatbelt.
Stop this thing.
Don't shout at me, oh.
Stop.
I'm warning you. Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me, oh. Rubbish. I'm not the one that said you should be useless and have useless friends. Don't shout at me. Rubbish.
Why is this thing not working?
Don't cut it. Don't cut it. See my own. I'm not the one that said even how to use seatbelt. You don't
Stop
have to use
talking
seatbelt.
to me that way.
I will took my hand in your eye.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't shut me up. This you're sorry. It's not from inside your body. It's not from here. The sorry is just coming from here. It did not reach inside your belly. Not reach anywhere. We're sorry. You're just saying sorry because you want to shut me up. But newsflash, Mr. Donald, I will express myself. Oh, I will talk. I will express my frustration. I will express it. Don't use sorry to shut me up. Sorry is not my problem. I did not fall on the ground. Don't tell me sorry. Sorry for yourself. Congratulations is my portion. Despite the fact that I am unfortunate to be your wife. Can you imagine? Donald!
What's it?
What is this?
Why are you screaming, man?
What is this? Eh? The first time you do assignment for Ella. Look at your failure now.
Are you okay?
You are mad. You are the one that
Are you
is insane. No, you don't have sense. Look at what you did for my daughter. The embarrassment you caused my daughter in school.
What's your problem?
What is your problem? Huh? Why would you bring your failure spirit to my child? Keep your failure within your own perimeter, young man.
Hey, do not talk to me that way.
If I talk to you, what will happen?
Do not talk to me that way.
What will happen, shameless
All right?
man? Ordinary kindergarten. Look at basic English. You failed woefully.
It's not my fault.
You
okay?
failed
It's not my
woefully.
fault. See, this is correct. It's the teacher.
Okay, now it's the teacher. Oh my God, a man that cannot take responsibility for his actions. It's the teacher's fault now, not you that you don't have sense.
Give me the pen. Give me the pen.
Take the pen.
I'm going in there.
To do what?
And I'm going to help us solve it.
Help what? Which kind of help? Is it not the same help that you got zero on them? What more can you possibly add to that child? She doesn't even want to see you right now.
I can add
You not upset. See the knowledge now.
It is the teacher. It is the teacher that did not see right.
A man
Okay?
that cannot accept.
Can I go speak to my daughter?
It's the teacher's
and
fault
calm her
now.
down?
It's not your empty score. You go explain. No evidence. Respect yourself.
Stop this thing.
Respect yourself.
Stop this thing.
You want to beat?
Stop this
You want to
thing.
fight me after failing? Eh?
Why are you so dramatic?
Why are you so shameless?
We need to talk.
We have nothing to talk about.
We need to talk about our approach to matters. Okay? We have a daughter. Okay? She's watching and she's learning. Okay? We need to set good example because...
Good! Then set that good example. Yes, Donald. Oh, you think you can frustrate me in this marriage? As a provider of this family, set a good example by providing like you're supposed to. I am tired. Look at me. I look older than my age because I'm not only shouldering the responsibilities of this home, but your business that has refused to pick up. I'm tired.
So why are you nagging?
Oh, are you so daft?
Why are you nagging
tell what
right
I'm
now?
liking? Can't
Why
you
are
hear my
shouting?
voice?
Why are you shouting?
Oh, you get to determine how I express myself? Oh, you can frustrate me, but know how I react?
Will you just
Excuse me,
stop?
Donald. I will not stop.
We're trying to have
stop.
a conversation right
Stop
now.
your hustle and leave me alone.
What's wrong with you?
Leave me alone.
We just need to understand our approach to matters and you're screaming. I am only expressing the fact that we have a daughter. God. That was really funny.
Yes.
Oh my God.
You know what, guys? I am so happy that you guys are here now. At least I and Harry now have a family friend, right?
Right. Baby. My love. My king.
It's fine.
Are you okay?
Are you okay, bro?
I'm fine.
Let me get you water.
No. I'll go get it.
No. Let me get it for you. Just
it's
relax,
fine.
my love.
Okay, you don't worry. I'll just take it.
Just, okay, have some. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Oh, you're so cute, my love.
you're so cute too.
So Donald,
Yeah.
I'll throw in some words for you to some of my influencer friends on social media.
Okay.
Yeah, for advert. And then concerning the releasing of the building,
All right.
I'll make some calls. Let's see how it goes.
Ah, my guy.
Donald,
My guy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
I just hope this works. Honestly, I'm nervous. Okay, I've been away from Lagos for a very long time and I don't know. What if this fails?
Come on, Donald. You shouldn't be saying this. You should be positive.
I know. It's just-
Besides, I'm shocked that this is coming from you. The you that I know. You are bold. You are a courageous achiever. You, senior prefect of Roland High School that year. Have you forgotten we named you the daredevil that year? Because you can achieve and walk up to anything and anyone. So stay positive. It's going to work, okay? Let's just do our best and leave the rest. Come on, bro. Are you okay, Donald?
My wife. I don't know about my wife.
Hey, Donald. Please. Don't tell me that you're trolling that sweet lady. Don't tell me that because it's going to be unfair. See the way she adores you. Calls you her king. Not like my wife, Pamela. That calls me by my name, Henry. And then to add salt to the injury, sometimes she calls me Hen as a pet name. Especially on the days we cook chicken and maybe I annoy her.
My guy.
No, it's
You know
funny.
what? No, you see enough of this. Okay, this actually made me laugh. But guy, I just want to say thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Thank you for helping me.
Anything for you, bro. I got you.
And thanks for reminding me who I am.
That is who you are. Positive and a courageous achiever. And always remain positive, bro.
My guy.
You know, you still have your charm, sweetness. So ladylike.
If I don't pamper my man, who will?
I wish I can be more like you. But you see that Henry, that one. He's always telling me I behave more masculine than feminine.
Oh, really?
Well, he loves me regardless.
Doesn't mean you shouldn't work towards changing. If you know where you kept those soft feminine touch, go pick it up, bro.
Bro. And if I don't?
You see? No, Donald, can you see? No, can you see? Always ready to fight. Even in front of Donald.
I was just joking now. Yes, somebody.
Oh. Donald, did you hear her? No, did you hear her? My mates are being called my hero, my king, just like Esther is calling Donald. But here you are calling me, my own somebody. My own wife is calling me somebody.
I was only joking. Come and sit down.
Yes,
I was
somebody.
joking. Oh yeah, baby, sorry. Come, it's okay. Come and sit down. It's okay. I'm sorry. My king.
That's more like it.
I was just joking. Thank you so much. Let's do this again.
All right.
I'll drive.
What?
I'll drive.
See what I'm saying? Always masculine.
Baby, you know I'll drive you crazy.
Please don't drive me crazy.
Enter the car.
Drive me here, please.
Yes, please, we're home. I understand, but you need to come urgently, please. Please, it's very important. I don't know what he taught my daughter. I don't know the nonsense. Please. You just have to come. No worry. Don't worry about that. That will be taken care of. Please, hurry. Thank you.
Hey, what's wrong? I heard your voice from outside. Who are you talking to?
This is the teacher that is going to undo all the balderdash, all the rubbish and garbage that you taught our daughter for her assignments.
What are you talking about?
Your daughter, my daughter Ella, came back home with 0/10. The 0, they even draw ear and nose and mouth. Mr. Donald, whatever they call you, don't do Ella's assignment for her. Don't teach her anything because you don't have sense.
Am I that bad? Are
Yes,
you serious right
yes. The only thing that you're even managing to be good at is all these house chores. Cooking, cleaning, maybe sometimes even the food will not be sweet. Anyway, come and clear this.
Don't do that.
Mr. Donald.
I said don't do that.
Sorry, who are you leaving all these things for now? You're not going to clear this table. Come and clear this table. Somebody is growing wings, oh.
I don't like this thing that you're doing.
Okay, do I like the one that you're doing?
I don't like this
Do I
thing.
like the one that you're doing?
Stop treating me like this.
Do you think I like what you're doing? You did our daughter's assignment. 0/10. Ooh, I bet go.
Just keep quiet there.
Loser.
Nonsense.
You don't have sense.
Yes, I don't shut up. I hate this thing that you do.
I hate it. Do I like what you're doing? Do you think I like it?
I don't think it.
I do think I like it.
Okay?
Clap for yourself. Clap yourself. 0/10. I bet go. Ooh. Nonsense. I just thank God. Thank God that our daughter took my brain in this family, not yours. You think it's like all those nonsense Akuna girls that you're snapping? You think that that's what my daughter is learning in school? Rubbish.
If I doubt my performance in other things, at least I know I'm a king in this particular matter. I think I know why she's been cranky. It's been long I gave her some good loving. A sex-starved woman is an angry woman.
What's this?
Babe, come on. I just want to make you scream.
You want to make me scream?
I want to make you...
Come on, get out of this place. Come on, get out of this place. Oh, I have screamed. Or do you want me to scream louder? Look at you. Shameless man. This is all you know how to do.
Come on, babe.
Your mates are sleeping, gathering energy that they will use tomorrow to go and work and make life good for their family. Your mates, they're taking their wives on exotic trips, spoiling them. Look at me, looking like an old woman in my young age because I'm carrying the responsibilities that you're supposed to. I'm the man in this marriage. What do you think manhood is? You think being a man is that rubbish in between your thighs? See, carrying oil. Failure. Get your failure, poverty this tricky penis very, very far from my contours. Yes, I cannot even be wet for you. For a lazy man, it cannot happen. Look at, see, I'm holding oil like a frustrated gigolo. Nonsense, this is all you are good at. Even the knack self, can you knack? Can you even do it? Sense. Rubbish. Come now.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth.
At least
Beyond what I can see,
there is something I got right in life.
above
Ella,
we think or how
my joy,
we feel,
my
the
happiness,
heart of man is
my peace.
calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive.
Hey, babe.
Where are you going?
Work. Yes, I am hitting the street. I have this new invention.
Another
I
invention.
see, baby. Trust me. Okay, so this is more like street photography. So I'm gonna hawk my photography on my head. You know, I just take pictures of random people, people selling bread, hawkers, those agberos with knife and all that. I just take pictures of them, nice pictures. I put it online. Probably someone would see me and then want to buy or something, link me to someone, and then
Wow.
yeah.
Yes. So let me get this straight. You want to go out on the streets, walking about like a mad person, taking pictures of agberos fighting and random people, disgrace yourself, waste your time, embarrass this family, and then come back home with nothing?
At least I went out there and I tried. That's what it is.
Who's going to do the house chores?
Well, I did my part. Henceforth, we're both going to share the house chores. And as for Ella, I have already rescheduled for bus service. So no more school runs. Okay? Babe, this is going to be a good thing. Just wish me all the best, baby. I love you. See you.
I schedule for school bus. Who will pay for the school bus? Is it free? No. We have to share the chores. We don't share the bills, so why do we have to share the chores? You'll meet me in this house.
I love this one. Yes, this is good.
Yes,
This is good.
obviously.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and I told you already. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Excuse me, hey. Could you please stop that? Hello? How dare you take my photos without letting me know? No, I don't want to even hear it. I don't want to hear any of your excuses. Please just delete it. Do you know I could have you arrested for this?
I know.
Delete it, please.
I'm just doing street photography.
Mm-hmm. Delete it, please.
Okay.
Delete it. Thank you. Just delete it as I'm looking at you.
Patient, please. I'll do it. Okay.
Delete it.
Here's it.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the picture.
You'll be taking pictures without giving somebody a heads up. What's that supposed to mean? Delete it, please.
I should delete it?
Yes. Oh. Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Yeah.
You took this just now?
I took it just now.
Oh, wow.
I am a photographer, and this is what I do for a living.
Okay.
Do you still want me to delete it?
Oh, no. Could you send the soft copy of this to me?
Sure, I will.
Okay.
Well, I am available for any photo shoot.
Oh.
I moved from the east down here to Lagos. It's been some couple of months. I'm trying to, pull myself together. So I just came here to take random pictures for free. I'm pausing. I can take you pictures if you want for free, and then probably maybe that could give me an opportunity to, introduce me to other clients. Yes.
So here's my card.
Okay.
I need some pictures for my office as well. So.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Next time when you're taking a picture, seek permission first.
Your number, please.
It's on my card.
Oh. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God, I got the first one.
Policeman, that is stupid public job. Local photographer. You don't even have class. You don't have taste. You are stepping out for free. It's your Akuna.
If I divorce her, she will punish me by making sure I don't get to see Ella again, like a mom did to her father, even though he was a beast to her. I'm no beast like her father. I don't deserve this. Are you even sure he was a beast or not being wrongly accused like I am here? What if that man was innocent? I can't believe Esther would eventually turn out to be like her mother.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I
Princess. Princess? Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
I wanted one big happy family. Not for you and Mommy to be fighting. Mom always hits you.
Hey, Princess. Listen. Everything is gonna be okay. Alright?
Okay.
Mommy is just going through a lot of stress right now. And everything is gonna be fine. Trust Daddy.
Okay.
Everything is going to be fine. So come here, so what do you want? Do you want me to tell you a story?
Yep. About a creepy one.
Creepy. I like creepy just like your dad. Okay. Alright. Now I'm gonna tell you a creepy story. Creepy one.
The creepiest one you've ever heard.
Okay, so lay down here and let's start. Okay. Once upon a time.
The heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth.
Hey. What's the meaning of that? Huh?
Where are you going?
Give me the keys.
I asked you a question.
What?
Where are you going? I am Mr. Donald.
See, listen to me. Today is Saturday. Alright? So let's just leave it to be peaceful. Okay? I have an appointment with new clients and I do not want to be late. Okay? So give me the keys.
Oga, you are going nowhere. Oh, you think I don't know that you want to go and shamelessly prostitute yourself around town today? I did not marry a gigolo.
I have never cheated on you. Okay? So never say that thing again.
You are a liar! Don't shout at me. Oh, you think your shouting can bring me down? You think you can intimidate me with your shout? You lie. I know about your rubbish booked hotel sessions. It is not going to work. You see that your plan? I am the weapon fashioned against that plan. It will not work. You think I don't know about your booked hotel sessions? I beg, talk another thing. You're not leaving this house.
Give me
today.
the keys. Give me the
Don't out! Oh, you want to start beating woman now? You want to beat your wife? Eh?
See, I am not like you, okay? It wouldn't be bad after all. After all, you're the worst. Thank God that I was raised well. If not, I would have beaten the living hell out of you. And that devil in you would have disappeared. Nonsense. Leave my way.
You lie! You're not going anything. What will you do? What? You want to beat me? Oh yeah, beat me now. Beat me. You're not leaving this house. You're not leaving this house. You will not leave this house. Don't out. I say you're not leaving this house. Don't try me. You're not going anywhere.
Nonsense.
You are very, very stupid. You will not go and cheat on me.
Will you stop this?
Stop what? I will not leave you. I will not leave you. Eh? My car. You dare not. Come. Present yourself. Don't out. Don't touch my car. You will not. A lie.
Will you just stop this thing?
You will not enter my car. You will not enter my car. You will not touch my car. Leave it. Ah! You are stupid. Useless idiot man. Shameless man. For how much? How much will you collect here, idiot? Ugly women. You are not ashamed of yourself. A man that has no respect. If you touch me, what? What is it? Am I afraid of you? Are you mad? Eh? Am I scared of you? Come and go, let me see. Bastard. Your camera will scatter. Your useless camera. Rubbish.
Get out from the car.
Photographer.
Hello. Get out.
Hello. I'm Inspector Dan. Actually, I live close. And, I've observed a lot of activities going on in your house. You can't keep abusing your wife like this. It's against the law.
No. I don't hate my wife. Okay?
Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Oh God.
Officer, I don't hate my wife. All of this that she's doing, she's just making them up.
You know what? Women can tempt us. But you need to learn self-control. This is a warning. Don't get yourself into trouble. You see, I am not actually trying to meddle in your family affair, but take this as a warning. Okay? Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God will bless you.
You're a witch.
Bless you.
You're a demon, you. Leave me. Leave me.
You will sleep.
Leave me alone.
I will slap you and you mad. Let me even collect his car, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
If you try this thing, if you try...
What will you do? I will just call this man for you. We arrest you, idiots. Rubbish man. Eh?
If you cross me...
Hey, excuse me, sir. Hey! Idiots. Bastard. I don't want to see one scratch on this cloud.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive.
Come in.
Oh, good day. I'm so sorry I came late. Please. I had a client I booked earlier, and they had a lot of ladies doing makeup and all that, so it actually delayed. It was a bridal shower. So I'm really sorry. Please forgive me.
That's all right. Please sit.
All right, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Why do you ask?
It's just you sent me a message saying you had cancelled, and of course with a little bit of insults. So I wasn't expecting to see.
Me?
Yes.
Me? I sent you a message?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay, it was a forwarded message. Please, yeah. I'm sure it was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
See, you can talk to me. I'm a therapist. I'm always ready to listen. Talk to me. What's happening? Is there a problem at home, with work? What is it?
What would she say when she hears a woman hates me? Quite shameful. I'm okay. I'm fine. So, are you still open for the photo shoot?
Yes, but we'll have to reschedule because I'm busy at the moment. But I'll need probably like 1 or 2 photos for this outfit. I love my outfit today, so if that's fine by you.
That's fine, but I hope you're not rescheduling because I came in late.
Oh, no, that's not it. I'm
okay.
not. We'll do it some other time.
Right,
just give me 10 minutes. Let me wrap up here and then we'll take
thank
this. Thank you very much. Just hold on. Do you want something to drink?
No, I'm fine.
All right, thank you. You're sure you're okay? I mean, you have scratches on your face.
Scratch. Oh, this. Mosquito.
Oh.
Yes, mosquito bite. It goes swollen and I scratched it, and but I'm treating it. Yeah.
That must be some big mosquitoes.
Very big one.
Very, very big mosquitoes. Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Yeah? So I was like, oh God, please, just leave me alone. And he said, am I holding you? I said, are you just waiting for me to say something? Because if I give you bass, you're giving me boss. Oh my God.
Well, he was honest. He wasn't holding you.
True. Donald, are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're alright?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
You know you can talk to me about anything, right?
I know, but I'm okay. Trust me. Are you saying that because I'm quiet? No, I was just thinking about what you were talking about.
Oh.
That I wonder if the guy is still persistent. If he reaches out.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Anyways, thanks for driving me. Thank
You're
you
welcome.
so much.
You're welcome.
Shameless man. Male akuna. Oh, you are back. How many rounds did you give those tired and frustrated women?
Take, for upkeep. At least you will nag me for my inability to provide. You've always had it in you, right? You always complain that you hated your mom for what she did to your father, but that is what you're doing to me. That's what you're trying to do to me, and I will not allow you to destroy me like you did your father.
How dare you talk to me like that? Because of the stupid peanuts? How dare you? How dare you? I'm talking to you. Come back here when I'm talking to you. Come back.
Just keep quiet. I will go.
Oh, wow. Nice. You are even answering your girlfriend's phone call in my presence. You have the nerve. Donald, it's me and you first. I will deal with you. You're very useless and shameless. How dare you?
You're evil.
Shame. Shameless man. Ooh. Male prostitute. Kuna. Useless and shameless man. Yes, you need to shower. Shower and wash off all that abomination from your body. Useless and foolish man. You will sleep, you will not wake up. Thunder will fire you. God will punish you. Idiot. Shower. You cannot even bring good money home. After all your prostituting, you can't even bring any tangible money home. Idiot. Useless man. Cheater. Ooh, idiot. Open this door. Let me talk to you. Let me tell you something I don't know. Useless man. You will die in your akuna. You will go. You will not come back. Useless, foolish man. What have you achieved today now? What have you achieved? Bath. In fact, let that water drown you as you're taking your shower. Idiots.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive. When table turn around, you will taste a dose of your peers. pleasure you will receive when table turn around. You will taste a dose of your peace and know how it feels.
Are you ready for it?
Yes, yes.
No problem.
Please send him in, send him in. Thank you.
See, let me go so I'll come back later and we'll go together, eh?
No
Is that
problem.
fine?
That's very fine.
All right.
Come. Come and see something.
Yeah.
Yes, sis. Come.
Something.
Come in, please.
You don't mean it.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome.
Hey,
Donald.
Pamela.
You two know each other?
He's a friend of my husband. Is this the friend you wanted to see?
Yes.
Oh.
No. I know.
Okay, let me start going.
All right, baby. I'll see you later.
All right.
Please
See you later.
Okay, baby. Take care, yeah?
I'll see you later.
Alright.
Do not taste it. Welcome. It's a small word, isn't it?
Yes, very small.
Interesting.
Are you free?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, okay. Well, I just got done with my photography work, and I wanted to, just hang around.
Oh,
Yes.
that sounds nice. So what do we do? Should we go for ice cream?
No, I don't want people seeing us in public. They might just misunderstand our friendship,
Yeah, I get it. I get what you're
Yeah.
saying. Anyway, so let's talk.
Yeah.
I'll
So
listen.
we talk here.
Yeah, you know I'm good at listening.
Yeah.
So.
So how's the day been?
Yeah. Is that man being abused? No. Do you mean by his wife? Come on, no, that's not even possible. Are you sure you're just assuming? I am sure. Wait, is he giving the impression that his wife is abusing him? You know that's what men do. When they want to cheat, they start giving impressions that their wife are abusing them. It's not giving me any impression, anything. I can see the signs. It's there. Besides, I saw marks on his face, like injuries. Marks? Yes. You mean Big Donald? See, Esther is very soft, fragile. She can't do something like that. No, that's not even possible. Have you seen the wife? No. You should. I will send you her pictures. When you see her, you just shut up. You know that somebody like this cannot do something like that. It's not even interesting. Okay. Wait. Are you falling for a married man? See, in our family, we don't do something like that. Eh? I'm not falling for him. It's just, as a therapist, I see the signs and I say something. He doesn't even open up about his marriage, so please, no, don't even think it. I'm not falling for him. No.
Because I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your eyes. You like him.
Come on.
You're already getting obsessed about him.
Yes, if he was single, I would rush him, but he's not. And I don't do married men. Come off it. I'm a woman of integrity. Stop saying this.
I believe you. Let's just stop talking about this thing, okay? Esther is an angel. As for the issue of abuse, it's not possible. It's not even possible.
If you say so.
I do say so.
But
It's
I've said my own now. I've said mine now.
Esther.
Okay. I'll shush.
How is work?
It's fine, you know. It's not easy, but I love my job. Oh my god, I love it.
Try and stop looking at married men. Focus on your job very well.
I'm like, OAC, make breeze flow, me put them away. What is it?
Oh my god.
Thank you for the lift, Ojare.
You're welcome.
The man himself.
Yeah, do now. So, they said they will be releasing the building in the next 2 weeks.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. And then the other guy will commence advert on the building.
Okay.
I believe that by the time they are done, your business will be booming.
Thank you so much, bro. You're so kind. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, bro. What are friends for?
My G.
I saw what you're doing in the street with your photography. I told you were the king.
Thanks to you for gassing me up.
You need to believe.
I didn't have idea, no concept, nothing. But thanks to you, man. I told you to believe.
I'm so sorry. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Also busy inside.
It's fine, wifey. Thank you.
So how is my darling sister Pam?
Oh, Pam is fine. And she sends her regards.
Aw, please send her my love and kisses.
Sure, I will. And how is Ella?
Oh, she's having her Sunday nap. After a long session of academia, her homework, reading exercises. You know how these things are.
I understand.
Not easy.
Well done.
Yes, thank you. Darling, baby, sweetheart, you sure you don't want anything to drink? Should I make you fruit salad? Or fruit juice? What about parfait? It's not going to take time. You're good? Okay.
Yes.
You're good.
It's okay.
Lovely. Mwah. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Sir, you'd have to excuse me. I need to go and continue the chores.
You're quite excused.
I'll be missing you upstairs.
Uh-huh.
You know that. My darling. Okay. Take your time.
All right.
All right, sir.
Take care.
Hold on, sir. You're blessed.
Oh, Donald. You've got a virtuous woman in her, Your wife is a speck.
I want to divorce her.
Did you just talk to me?
I said I want to divorce her.
What? Why would you say that?
See, forget about all these things that you're seriously doing. Come on.
Donald, please. I do not want to hear this from you. In fact, come, let's go outside. I wouldn't want her eavesdropping and getting hot.
Come on, just take it real. Easy, easy.
Donald, what is going on? What's happening? See, you might not know the value of what you have until you lose it. You might not know our value now, but before you realize it, it's too late.
I can never regret. And I would never regret divorcing her.
What? Donald. Okay. My wife told me that you... Did you fall for my wife's cousin Joy?
Joy? Don't be ridiculous. How? Where did you even hear that from? Like, how? What even gave you that?
It's fine.
Are you serious?
It's just a question. It's a harmless question. Look, I know that Joy is an angel, but Esther is an angel too. And I know that you love Ella. Are you ready to live the rest of your life without her? Because you and I know that the court will give full custody to Esther.
And that is exactly why I'm still in this marriage. That's the only reason. That's the only reason. If not, I'm long gone.
What are you even saying? What are you saying, Donald? You are married to a woman as Esther, a beautiful career woman that still does all the house chores. Donald, are you doing this because you want a male child and she cannot conceive again? Do you really need a male child? I thought you never cared.
She abuses me. She hates me. She calls me names. She insults me. See, she's a narcissist. She's a
Oh my
gaslighter.
God.
She's everything evil.
Okay,
This is not funny. It's not funny at all.
it's fine, Donald. Yeah, calm down. Yeah, look, Donald.
It's funny.
See, you do not have to tag her bad to prove a point. Huh? You don't have to. Because you and I know that the Esther that I know cannot even hurt a fly.
Oh, yes.
Let alone hit you.
Yes, the Esther you know. But the Esther that I know, God.
Come on, bro. Come on. Look, stop being funny. Yeah? Stop being funny. Oh? Did Joy give you anything to, because I didn't expect that from her.
Come on. Listen to me. Listen to me. The Joy that I know will not want to have anything to do with a married man. And I would not want to put her in such position. Okay? Maybe when I divorce Esther and then possibly I have a feeling for her, then fine, maybe.
That's it. No, you've said it. You've said it. But bro, please, before you do whatever you want to do, please think and rethink. Because this move you're about to make is certainly a bad one. Think about Ella. Don't just consider this thing you carry beneath your whatever.
Stop this thing.
That will be very selfish.
Stop this thing. Stop this thing. I don't understand why no one believes me. I don't understand why no one believes me. Even you.
Believe you want me to believe that Esther hits you, bro? Come on. Come on, Donald.
She's a devil. She's a demon. A Delilah, that's who she is.
Calm down. You just need some time to just calm down. I think you're stressed with the whole thing going on in your life. I understand. Just calm down, okay?
Who are you?
Delilah. Excuse me.
Whenever we have a visitor, or we go to church, or go for any occasion or event, you act like you're an angel. So you know very well that what you're doing is wrong. So why do you keep acting right around people?
Point of correction. I don't act right. I am right. And it's not my fault I'm always right. And what about you? The disgrace of the family. First, you frustrated everyone in this house by your laziness and your failure attitude. And what did you do next? Prostitute yourself. Sleeping around.
I will say this over and over again. I have never cheated on you, and I would never cheat on you.
Oh, please tell that to a fool.
You are a demon. A devil, that's what you are. It hurts me so bad that no one sees this side of you, but I do.
Oh my god. You mean everyone sees that I'm perfect and that I am a virtuous woman, and then they see you for who you are, the disgrace of the family, and that's what is paining you?
One more gaslighting and narcissist move from you, and I'm gonna divorce you.
Ooh. Donald. Are you threatening me with divorce? Really? You? Baby boy, take a good look at me. Do you think I'll be stranded in the dating pool? I am elegant, hardworking, rich, successful, beautiful.
With a very ugly and disgusting heart.
Donald! Who are you talking to in that manner?
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel.
I'm so sorry, Ella. I'm so sorry that I couldn't give you the perfect life that you deserve. I failed you, Ella. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face.
dare you? You left me downstairs while you came upstairs to sleep and had the audacity to lock the door? Really?
Don't you dare repeat this again. Don't you dare repeat this thing. Don't you dare slap me again.
And what if I do? Oh!
Next time you do.
Oh!
Next time you try this again, you'll see another side of me. Do you hear me?
You're hurting me!
Get out. Nonsense.
Bastard! Woman rapper! Idiot!
Okay, now it's recording, and you see it? Take it slowly, you're recording, and then that's what it is, okay? So now, I'm gonna record you. So say cheese, high five. Okay, then we're gonna record that in, yeah? Okay, so I stopped it, just like I taught you, all right? We're gonna press record, but wait, let me get there first. So you're gonna position it this way. Hold it fast. Yeah, that one. Wait. You press it. So, when I say action, you just press the button, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Action!
Press.
Yeah! Oh.
I knew it! I was right. Oh! So you are this useless. Donald! So this is what you've been doing. I knew that you were cheating on me. But when I talk too much, I knock too much. Look at this. I will not bring my voice out. Maybe it's time for her to know the kind of useless father that she has. This is Joy.
Oh,
you've been cheating with Joy.
Oh, okay. That's what you think I am doing?
Yes.
Huh? I am not cheating on you. But I am going to get a divorce.
Donald.
What?
You want to divorce the mother of your only child for a stranger? I who stood by you, I clothed you, I fed you when your times were down.
Well, you were insulting me and you were abusing me while at it. I was in the East, I was working, I was making money. I sent money home for your upkeep. But what did you do? You tricked me into closing down my business and I came down here to this Lagos, but nothing is working.
Oh, spare me!
Shut up!
You shut up!
Shut up!
I will not shut up!
You are delusional, that's what you are!
You want to say delusional?
You're delusional!
You want to say delusional?
You are delusional!
You want to say delusional?
Look at you!
You want to say delusional?
Hey.
Don't
Calm down, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. Hey!
I will show you delusional. You think you can leave me? You cannot leave me! You're not gonna leave me. You are not going to disgrace me in front of our friends and family. I'll kill you. I will kill myself. I'll kill everybody in this house.
Just drop the knife.
Donald, you're not going to leave me.
Just drop the knife!
Not leaving me. Not after all I've done for you.
Just drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Don't
do this! Don't do this!
Oh my God!
Don't do this!
Beyond what I can see, above what we
Oh my God.
I love you.
hearts are
Oh, Jesus. Come here. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's fine. Don't cry. Hello? Henry.
I warned you. I did.
I didn't do it. Okay? I didn't do it. I didn't kill her. I swear to God. I didn't do it.
Remember, I caught you beating that woman.
Yes. It was all an act. She physically attacks me. She abuses me. She hits me. Okay, I never killed her. Please. Believe me.
She abuses you. Now, who is that? Who's killed? What an irony.
I didn't kill her.
Mr. Donald,
I didn't kill her.
you are under arrest for the gruesome murder of your wife. You have the right to remain silent for anything you say may be used against you in the court of law.
I didn't kill her.
Move him out.
Mr. Man, move it.
Joe, please take care of her for me. She's just traumatized. She saw everything that happened, please.
Okay.
Please, let's move. Move.
You know what, Joy? I'm taking Ella home with me. You can come and see her in the house.
Okay, that's fine. I don't think he did it.
Esther was a soft person. Okay? Don't trust men. They can do and undo.
I trust Donald. Yes, I've fallen for him, but he never cheated with me. This whole thing is just, it's
Please, can we stop talking about the dead? She was my friend too. And can we stop talking about the relationship you did not have with her husband?
Okay. Babe. Where's Donald?
He has been arrested.
My God. Did you know the station he was taken to?
They took him to B division. Babe, I'm going to bring Ella home with me. She obviously cannot stay here. And Donna said she saw everything that happened. So she's obviously traumatized. Joy is going to be seeing her from the house.
It's fine.
Let's go. Oh my God. Everything is just crazy.
Sorry.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive. When tables turn around, you will taste a dose of your pill. Hey, and know how it feels. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive. When tables turn around, you will taste a dose of your peace.
So you are the Jesus. Donald, so this is what you've been doing. I knew that you were cheating on me.
I was in the East. I was working. I was making money. I sent money home for your upkeep. But what did you do? You tricked me into closing down my business. And I came down here to this Lagos, but nothing is working.
Oh, betray me.
Shut up!
You shut up.
Shut up!
I will not shut up.
You're delusional. That's what you are.
You want to see delusional?
You're delusional.
You want to see delusional?
You're
You want to see delusional?
Look at you.
You want to see delusional?
Calm down, okay? Everything's gonna be okay.
Hey, I'm so delusional. You think you can leave me? You cannot leave me. You're not gonna leave me. You are not gonna disgrace me in front of our friends and family. I'll kill you. I'll kill myself. I'll kill everybody in this house.
Just drop the knife.
Donald, you're not gonna leave
Just drop the knife.
Not leaving me. Not after all I've done for you.
Just drop the knife.
I
Drop the knife.
Don't
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Oh my God.
Don't do this.
Oh my God. My God. So Donald was right after all. Donald was actually in a toxic marriage. Esther, but Donald did not kill her. I have my evidence. He did not. No. I have to get this evidence to the station. Donald cannot go to prison. He's innocent.
Beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. Oh, beyond what I can see, above what we think or how we feel, the heart of man is calm on the face, but turbulent in his depth. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive. When table turn around, you will taste a dose of your pill, and know how it feels. The measure you give, that's the measure you will receive. When table turn around, you